Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test that can fix websites not working with VPN issues. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your browsing troubles. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to tackling websites not working with VPN? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your browsing data stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get stuck with a broken connection exposing your IP. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which sites you visit. But the places where they differ, well, that's what really matters when websites aren't loading with your VPN active. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best choice for sites not working with VPN due to its fast, reliable connections and smart features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be causing those loading issues, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with other devices for private browsing sessions. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once to fix those pesky website blocks everywhere. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy user can check their code for potential issues. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for users dealing with websites not loading, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy option for better routing that can help bypass site blocks for improved access. Just keep in mind you might give up a layer of encryption by using the proxy. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest at getting websites working with VPN? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLinks technology. This means faster page loads and smoother browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, reliable access to blocked websites is your top priority, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have many devices or a whole household with multiple browsing needs. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who needs proof their VPN won't compromise your data. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running to fix websites not working with VPN. See you soon.